Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. So in this video we are going to talk about two court cases in Supreme Court where the decision partially or fully has come. Okay, so there were two cases, EWS 10% reservation and one there was PIL against the MCC counseling, the pattern which is being followed, and there was demand from the candidates who filed the PL to delay the MCC counseling. Okay. Before we proceed, this is the number 9319128677. You can call on this number in case you need any further counseling guidance, because today also Haryana state announces result, and Bihar state and Telangana choice filling is going to get over by 8 p.m. today. Rajasthan state counseling going on, and today is the last date. Okay, so these are the important states. Okay, in the last moment you need to do the registration and keep the eligibility ready so that you can proceed. And many candidates in the low score also have got the seat, and they are getting the seat, and they will keep on getting seat. So if you want to become one of those candidates who get the seat in low score, then you can contact us for expert advice. Okay. So first about first about EWS court case. So as per the Supreme Court, the EWS court case for 10% reservation, which was in jeopardy. Okay, so there was a hearing with five chief justice. Okay, and the case was won by the EWS in the favor by 3-2, means three justice were in the favor of EWS, and two justice debated and said that is violation of the rule. Okay, so ultimately it is passed. Okay, so there is no difference for those candidates who were under EWS. The EWS was there last year, it will be there, it will continue for mop-up round and stay vacancy round and for further years also. Okay, they mentioned that the constitution is a kind of movable document, and the changes amendment can be done. Okay, so there are many clauses, but I don't want to discuss that. I just want to focus on the result. Next one is PIL, which is filed in order to avoid the seat blocking. Let me explain once again. The way the counseling was supposed to get conducted in sequential manner. First, all India national level counseling round 1 would happen, which will be followed by all state will conduct the round 1, and then all India round 2 would conducted, and before all India round 2, all state round 1 should complete the reporting. Okay, so and after all India round 2, all the state round 2 would complete, and after all the state round 2 result and reporting is done, then they should be allowed to participate in all India mop-up. And candidates who have already reported to the colleges allotted through state counseling, they should not be able to participate in all India mop-up round. So in order the blocking will be avoided, but both all India round 2, all India mop-up and state round 2 are going in parallel. For example, now the state Haryana, Telangana, Bihar, these states are doing is they are going to publish. They have already published, or they are going to publish the result, and the choice filling for mop-up round is already over. So what happened? The candidates who fill the choices for state Haryana round 2, they already have made the choice filling for all India mop-up. So if they get seat and they like the seat in state round 2 through Haryana state counseling, okay, they won't join this allotted seat in mop-up, but that mop-up allotted seat to the candidate who already joined the seat through state round 2 is wasted for one round, and it's kind of like seat is blocked. So the meritorious candidate wouldn't get the chance to join the seat through all India mop-up, and the seat will come in stay vacancy round. You know that stay vacancy round is just kind of luck. Okay, you can't count on the stay vacancy round until unless you are doing the preparation and you are ready for the next year also, and you are trying the luck side by side. So it's not sure certain, or you can't do the calculation based on state vacancy round chances. Okay, so it's a complete violation of the rule which was made by the Supreme Court. Now the Supreme Court has mentioned that and they have issued the notice to a state counseling authority also, like Karnataka and Bihar, to speed up the counseling process and complete on time. But it's not clear-cut statement from Supreme Court that the result will be delayed, because issuing notice, still they have already delayed. So what is the use of issuing notice? Okay, because it's already delayed. So whatever is done is done. Now how to recover it? So there is hearing after 2 days on 9th, next hearing. Okay, so we are expecting from Supreme Court to give a clear-cut decision whether in this case MCC authority is not culprit, because they are conducting their counseling based on their announced timelines, but the culprit is state counseling, and the Supreme Court is the body which has the authority to move both state counseling and MCC authority. So they need to take decision in the favor of candidates, so that the blocking is avoided just by sending the notice to the state authority will not benefit anyone. But we have to wait, okay, until next hearing, and we expect that positive news. It is also possible that after result is announced on 9th, okay, the Supreme Court might say, or MCC themselves decide to not announce the result of those candidates, okay, who have already joined in the state round 2, because they won't be able to leave the seat, and even if they want to leave the seat, it will be with big penalty after joining in state round 2. So they might decide not to announce the result. So that might be a way, but it's not 100% sure. So still it's in doubt, like what is going to be next step. It's not clear-cut decision in regard PIL filed, but for EWS is clear-cut decision. Okay, so this is big update for today, and as I mentioned, Rajasthan registration is going on. Today is last date. Those candidates who are qualified under category having a score 169 plus, they can also apply, irrespective they come from Rajasthan or not, they are NRA or NRI, they have OBC or not OBC, or they have NCL or not, irrespective of all such criteria, they can apply for Rajasthan state. Telangana choice filling going to get over by 8 p.m. Bihar and Haryana states have announced their result for round 2. So since the counseling is going to get over soon, and you are desperately looking for a seat, then you have to count all the chances and don't take it lightly. Okay, with this note, I'm going to end this video. We will meet again soon. Thanks for watching.